Are you tired of wasting hours copy-pasting data, filling out forms, and doing repetitive website work by hand? What if you could automate all of that without writing a single line of code? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at AutoBrowse AI. Here is my honest first impression. AutoBrowse AI is an absolute game changer for anyone doing manual browser work. It completely replaces expensive virtual assistants and complex scraping software with a simple drag-and-drop tool. If you want to scale your lead generation, research, or price tracking without paying monthly fees, this is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I have put together a massive custom bonus package you will not find anywhere else. So, what exactly is AutoBrowse AI? It is a cloud-based software that turns boring manual website tasks into reusable automations. You can scrape leads, monitor competitor prices, and collect data on autopilot. It's perfect for marketers, agency owners, and e-commerce sellers who need clean data fast. The biggest problem it solves is that you do not need to be a developer to use it. If you can follow a basic checklist, you can build an automation using their visual block builder. Plus, you get over 60 ready-made blueprints, so you don't even have to start from a blank page.
Hello, and welcome to AutoBrowse AI. AutoBrowse AI is a powerful no-code platform that turns repetitive website tasks into reusable automations. Instead of manually researching websites, clicking through pages, collecting information, or filling out the same forms again and again, you can build the task once and let AutoBrowse AI repeat it when needed. So let's log in and I'll show you exactly how it works. Once I log in, this is the AutoBrowse AI dashboard. From here, you can manage automations, monitor browser runtimes, access ready-made blueprints, view collected data, and control everything from one place. You also have the Smart Guide here. It does much more than answer questions. You can use it to create automations, manage tasks, navigate the platform through a simple conversation. Now let's open automations. For a quick example, I want to find highly rated hotels in Florida and collect the business name, website, phone number, rating, and location. I'll name this Hotel Finder. Choose Find a Ready-Made Job, select the Hotel Finder blueprint, and click Create Automation. And here we are. AutoBrowse AI has already prepared the workflow. I just enter the destination and, if needed, add a preference. I can run it right away or schedule it to run automatically later. Once everything is set, I simply click Start Runtime. AutoBrowse AI now begins working through the task step by step. I can see the runtime progressing in real time while it searches, processes the information, and prepares the results. And there we go. The runtime is complete, and the results are ready. It completed the task and collected hotel results, organized automatically. I can review them, open them in the data vault, or export them as CSV or JSON. If I want more control, I can open Advanced Canvas. This is a complete drag-and-drop workflow builder. The available nodes are on the left. I can drag a node onto the canvas, connect the steps, and customize exactly how the automation works. Next is the Blueprint Library. Here you'll find ready-to-go templates for research, lead generation, form filling, job finding, product research, and more. For example, I'll choose competitor price and feature research, click Setup, enter email marketing software as the category, and start the runtime. AutoBrowse AI now starts working through the competitor research, gathering and comparing the relevant details while I can follow the runtime progress. And there we go. The research is finished, giving me a clear side-by-side comparison of pricing, free plans, key features, and websites, all ready to review. Next, runtime sessions. Every time an automation runs, a runtime session is created. Here I can see previous runs, their status, records collected, and open any session to inspect the execution. And finally, the data vault. This is where the structured results from my automations are stored. I can open any dataset, review the information, and export it as CSV or JSON whenever I need it. So that's AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse whenever you need, use ready-made workflows to move faster, customize everything with the drag-and-drop canvas, and keep your results organized in one place. AutoBrowse AI. Build once, reuse forever, and export clean results.
Let's jump inside the dashboard. On the screen right now, you can see the main control center. It's incredibly clean and easy to navigate. To start a new task, you just drag and drop simple action blocks onto the canvas. You tell the software where to navigate, what to click, what to type, and what information to extract. Once you hit run, it visits the live websites and does the heavy lifting for you. The absolute best part is the data vault. Instead of dumping your results into a messy text file, AutoBrowse AI organizes all your scraped data into clean columns. You can export it as a CSV or JSON file with one single click. You can even schedule these tasks to run automatically every single morning without you lifting a finger.
Hey, stop! Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes. Because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you handle work online, how you collect leads and data, and how you automate repetitive browser tasks, starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could get your online busy work done without clicking through pages yourself, without copying and pasting data, without repeating the same task over and over? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are people still doing repetitive web work the hard way? Think about what it actually takes. You open the same websites. You click the same buttons. You copy the same details. You paste them into a spreadsheet. You wait for pages to load. And you repeat this process again and again and again. No wonder most people burn out. Not because they're lazy, but because the work is mind-numbing. Hours of clicking, days of copy-paste, and time you'll never get back. And here's the frustrating part. The work that actually grows a business rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. Research done regularly wins. Leads collected daily win. Prices monitored around the clock win. But doing it all by hand doesn't scale. So the real question becomes, how do you get all of this done consistently without burning out or hiring a whole team? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something that does the browser work for you. Introducing AutoBrowse AI, the breakthrough no-code app that opens pages, clicks, collects, and organizes data from real websites automatically from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another scraper, and it's not another complicated tool built for coders. This is a complete browser automation engine. Here's what happens once you set it up. You pick a ready-made blueprint or drag a few simple blocks onto the canvas. You show it the steps. Open this page. Click here. Type this. Collect these details. Then you hit run. And AutoBrowse AI goes to work. It visits the websites. It clicks. It types. It waits for pages to load. It collects exactly the data you asked for. And it drops everything neatly into one organized place, ready to download automatically. Which means no coding, no copy-paste, no fragile scrapers, just automation. And here's where it gets interesting. Because once you build a task, it becomes a reusable asset, working for you whenever you need it, collecting leads, tracking competitor prices, gathering research, not once, but again and again, on demand or on a schedule. And don't worry, this system was designed to be beginner-friendly. No coding, no technical skills. If you can follow a simple checklist, you can build an automation. Now here's the kicker. Most tools that do even a fraction of this charge monthly subscriptions. $30, $97. And a developer to build a custom scraper, thousands. But today, during this launch, you can unlock AutoBrowse AI for a tiny one-time investment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just set it up once and use it forever. And of course, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it and decide it's not for you, just contact support and we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep doing repetitive browser work the manual way, or do you let AutoBrowse AI handle the entire task for you? If you're ready to automate repetitive website work, collect leads and data on autopilot, save hours every single week, build reusable tasks right from your laptop, and finally put the busy work on autopilot instead of grinding for hours. Then click the button below, activate AutoBrowse AI, and let it start doing your browser work today. No coding, no copy-paste, no stress. Just automation. Your move.
The front end of AutoBrowse AI is only $14.95 during this special launch period. That gives you full lifetime access, but there are a few optional upgrades you should know about. Upgrade 1 is the Done For You package. This gives you pre-built automations that are fully tested and ready to fire right out of the box. Upgrade 2 is the Pro version. This unlocks advanced logic and premium scraping blocks for heavy-duty tasks and complex websites. Upgrade 3 is unlimited access. If you plan to run dozens of campaigns or scrape massive lead lists across multiple cities, you absolutely need this to remove all account limits. Upgrades 4 through 7 include enterprise features, an AI agent, and white label reseller rights if you want to rebrand and sell this software as your own. I highly recommend grabbing at least the unlimited upgrade if you're serious about scaling your business. Now, let's talk about the bonuses. If you pick up AutoBrowse AI through my link in the description below, you'll get my exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle completely free. These are hand-picked to help you get more traffic and make more sales. Bonus 1, Lead Book Generator. Automatically sync your Facebook leads directly to your email autoresponder. Bonus 2, Power List Pro. Create high-converting entry and exit pop-ups to capture traffic before it leaves your site. Bonus 3, Vid Capture. Turn any normal video into a lead capture machine by locking content behind an opt-in wall. Bonus 4, Coupon Wheel. Add spin to win pop-ups on your pages to drive massive instant sales. Bonus 5, WP Checkout Maximizer, the ultimate tool to stop abandoned carts and recover lost revenue. Bonus 6, Conversion Equalizer, a proven method to boost your advertising campaign returns automatically. Bonus 7, Soci Tracker. Track and analyze all your social media engagement in one single dashboard. Bonus 8, Tubelytics, your unfair advantage for YouTube search engine optimization and video scheduling. Bonus 9, WP Email Timer Plus. Add live countdown timers inside your emails to force fast action from your subscribers. Bonus 10, Catcher's Help Desk System, a complete ticket system to manage client requests and turn basic inquiries into paying customers. AutoBrowse AI gets a solid recommendation from me. It delivers exactly what it promises by eliminating repetitive browser work for a tiny one-time fee. But you need to act fast. My exclusive App Verdict bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those 25 spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the delivery page forever. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of AutoBrowse AI and claim all 10 bonuses before time runs out. Thank you for watching this AutoBrowse AI review on App Verdict. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more no-fluff software reviews. To get your bonuses, simply check your Warrior Plus receipt page after purchase. See you in the next one.